the annals of scientific history, few names evoke the same sense of wonder and mystery as Nikola Tesla. Revered as a visionary, Tesla's genius transcended conventional boundaries, delving into realms where science intertwined with mysticism. Among his enigmatic legacies stands the 3-6-9 method, a concept that tantalizes the imagination, hinting at a deeper understanding of the universe's fundamental workings. Within this exploration, we embark on a journey to unravel the veils shrouding Tesla's mystical insights, delving into the realms where science converges with the cosmic. To grasp the essence of this method, one must first immerse oneself in the esoteric significance of its foundational numbers, 3, 6, and 9. In Tesla's eyes, these numbers held a profound cosmic resonance, echoing throughout the fabric of reality. He famously remarked, "If you only knew the magnificence of these numbers, then you would have the key to the universe." This sacred number embodies the essence of creativity, expression, and connectivity. In various spiritual and esoteric traditions, 3 is often associated with the Trinity, the fundamental unity of creation. It symbolizes the synthesis of opposing forces, the balance between mind, body, and spirit, and the inherent interconnectedness of all things. Representing harmony and balance, 6 serves as the fulcrum upon which the forces of creation and destruction converge. In the mystical traditions of numerology, 6 embodies the equilibrium between opposing polarities, light and dark, yin and yang, positive and negative. It symbolizes the perfect balance and symmetry that permeate the cosmos. The pinnacle of the numerical sequence, 9 represents completion, spiritual enlightenment, and the infinite potential of the cosmos. In Tesla's worldview, 9 serves as a gateway to the transcendent realms beyond the material plane, a symbol of divine perfection and cosmic unity. It signifies the culmination of all things, the synthesis of past, present, and future, and the eternal cycle of creation and dissolution. Central to Tesla's philosophy was the notion that everything in the universe is vibration. From the subtle hum of atoms to the resounding echoes of celestial bodies, vibrational frequencies permeate the fabric of reality, forming an intricate symphony of cosmic resonance. Tesla believed that by understanding and harnessing these vibrations, one could unlock the latent power of the universe itself. Through his meticulous experimentation and introspection, Tesla sought to uncover the hidden harmonies that underlie existence, paving the way for revolutionary discoveries in science and technology. He believed that by aligning oneself with the natural rhythms and vibrations of the universe, one could tap into a boundless wellspring of inspiration and insight. Tesla's fascination with this method extended beyond mere numerical symbolism. It encompassed a profound understanding of the interconnectedness of all things. In his worldview, the universe operated according to a grand tapestry of synchronicity, where events unfolded in perfect alignment with cosmic patterns and rhythms. Tesla saw the universe as an interconnected web of energy and consciousness, where every thought, action, and intention reverberated throughout the cosmos. By aligning one's consciousness with the natural flow of the universe, one could catalyze a chain reaction of synchronicity, manifesting serendipities and opportunities beyond comprehension. In Tesla's view, these numbers served as the cosmic keys to unlocking synchronicities and aligning with the divine flow of creation. Through his meticulous observations and intuitive insights, Tesla discerned the subtle patterns that govern the ebb and flow of the universe, harnessing their power to fuel his revolutionary inventions and discoveries. Among Tesla's most iconic creations stands the Tesla coil, a marvel of engineering that embodies the principles of this method in tangible form. At its core, the Tesla coil functions as a transmitter of high-voltage, high-frequency alternating current electricity, capable of producing spectacular displays of electrical discharge. Yet, beyond its practical applications, the Tesla coil serves as a symbolic conduit to the infinite realms of the cosmos. Through its intricate design and precise engineering, Tesla sought to capture the essence of these numbers, channeling their harmonious vibrations into a tangible manifestation of cosmic power. Through the Tesla coil, Tesla sought to bridge the gap between the material and the spiritual, the finite and the infinite. He believed that by harnessing the power of electricity and vibration, humanity could transcend the limitations of the physical world, accessing realms of higher consciousness and divine wisdom. In Tesla's vision, the Tesla coil served as a gateway to the infinite, a portal through which humanity could journey into the boundless realms of the cosmos. At the apex of Tesla's intellectual pursuits lay his quest for a unified field theory, a grand synthesis of the physical laws governing the universe. Unlike his contemporaries, who sought to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos through mathematical abstractions and theoretical conjectures, Tesla approached the problem from a fundamentally holistic perspective. In Tesla's worldview, the unified field theory was not merely an intellectual exercise but a spiritual odyssey, a journey to uncover the underlying harmony that binds together all aspects of existence. Drawing inspiration from ancient wisdom traditions and esoteric teachings, Tesla formulated a radical hypothesis that the universe operates according to a unified field of energy, where matter, energy, and consciousness are intrinsically interconnected. Tesla's unified field theory posited that the universe is a seamless tapestry of interconnected energies, woven together by the subtle harmonies of these numbers. In his holistic vision, matter, energy, and consciousness are not separate entities but facets of a unified whole, bound together by the invisible threads of cosmic resonance. By transcending the limitations of conventional scientific thinking, Tesla sought to unveil the deeper truths that lie at the heart of existence, illuminating the path toward cosmic harmony and unity. Tesla's quest for a unified field theory represents a convergence of science and spirituality, where empirical observation and intuitive insight intersect. Unlike the reductionist paradigms of classical physics, Tesla's approach embraced the multidimensional nature of reality, recognizing the inherent interconnectedness of all things. In Tesla's view, the universe is not a cold, mechanical system governed by impersonal laws but a living, breathing organism pulsating with divine energy and intelligence. Tesla's unified field theory transcends the dualistic thinking that pervades much of modern science and philosophy. In Tesla's worldview, there is no separation between mind and matter, observer and observed, self and other. Instead, there is only the seamless flow of cosmic energy, dancing in eternal harmony across the vast expanse of space and time. By embracing the principle of non-duality, Tesla sought to dissolve the boundaries that divide us, uniting humanity in a shared vision of cosmic oneness and interconnectedness. A beacon of inspiration as we reflect upon the enigmatic legacy of Tesla's method, we are confronted with a profound realization that the boundaries separating science and mysticism are but illusions, obscuring the deeper truths that lie beneath the surface of reality. In Tesla's vision, the universe is a vast tapestry of interconnected energies, woven together by the subtle harmonies of these numbers. Tesla's insights challenge us to transcend the limitations of reductionist thinking, embracing a holistic understanding of the cosmos that encompasses both the seen and the unseen, the known and the unknown. By delving into the mysteries of this method, we embark on a journey of exploration and discovery, where science and spirituality converge in a harmonious dance of cosmic revelation. Tesla's work also invites us to integrate the wisdom of ancient traditions into our modern understanding of the universe. Across cultures and civilizations, these numbers have held profound significance, serving as symbols of cosmic order and divine harmony. By rediscovering the sacred teachings of the past, we gain new insights into the nature of reality, unlocking hidden potentials and possibilities that lie dormant within the human psyche. Furthermore, Tesla's method offers practical applications for harnessing the power of cosmic resonance in our everyday lives. By aligning our thoughts, intentions, and actions with the harmonious vibrations of the universe, we can catalyze positive change and transformation on both personal and planetary scales. Whether through meditation, creative expression, or scientific inquiry, we can tap into the infinite wellspring of inspiration and insight that lies at the heart of existence. Finally, Tesla's legacy serves as a beacon of inspiration for future generations of scientists, inventors, and visionaries. His relentless pursuit of truth and his unwavering commitment to the highest ideals of human potential continue to inspire millions around the world, igniting a spark of curiosity and wonder that transcends time and space. In Tesla's vision, we find hope for a brighter, more harmonious future, one in which humanity embraces its inherent connection to the cosmos, unlocking the infinite possibilities that lie within. In the end, Tesla's method serves as a testament to the boundless potential of the human spirit, reminding us that we are not mere spectators in the cosmic drama but active participants in the unfolding story of creation. As we contemplate the sacred significance of these numbers, let us remember the words of the great visionary himself: "If you only knew the magnificence of these numbers, then you would have the key to the universe."